Welcome back. Let's look at why multiplying fractions is the only time in fractions where we simply just multiply across. When we are multiplying fractions, we're really taking a part of a part. So let's look at 3/4 times 2/5. We're going to look at these fractions separately first, and you can see right here I have a whole split into 4 parts, so I'm going to shade in 3 out of the 4. Now I've divided another model into fifths, and I'm going to shade in 2 of them. Now watch what happens when we place these two models on top of each other. The overlapping shaded area actually represents the answer. So I'm going to draw another model and split it into fourths, and then I'm going to split it into fifths on top of the fourths. Here I am shading in the 3 parts from the original model. When the grids are combined, the whole is now split into 20 equal parts, and 6 of those are overlapping, which gives us our numerator. So that gives us 6 parts were shaded out of 20. Let's connect this to multiplying straight across. The numerators tell us how many parts are shaded in. The denominator tells us how many pieces there are. Now let's look at another example of 2/3 times 2/8. Here I am shading in 2 out of the 3 parts with the orange marker, and then I'm going to shade in 2 out of the 8 parts on the bottom hole with the green marker. Now we are going to take both of these models and put them on top of each other. So I'm going to take the 2/3 and write it first, and then I will take the 2/8 and write it next. Now I'm going to shade in 2 on the very top. I'm going to go all the way across because that is what it looks like in the original problem. Next, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to shade 2 all the way down because that's what it looks like in the original problem of 2/8. You can see the part that overlaps would be our product, which is our answer. There are 4 parts shaded now out of a total of 24. So the answer is 4/24.